Overtrading can ruin your portfolio. Here's what you need to know. Ever felt overwhelmed by too many trades? Let's decode overtrading pitfalls. Trading frenzy often leads to mistakes. Watch how overtrading strikes back. Greed and emotion push traders into reckless moves. Discipline saves capital. Overtrading doesn't happen by accident. It's driven by a mix of psychology, lack of structure, and market pressure. Here are the biggest causes every trader needs to understand. First is FOMO, the fear of missing out. When the market moves fast, traders jump into setups without confirmation, just to avoid feeling left behind. Next is revenge trading. After a loss, many traders try to win it back immediately. This emotional reaction leads to impulsive entries and even bigger losses. Another major cause is overconfidence. A few wins in a row can make traders feel unstoppable, pushing them to take more trades than their strategy allows. Then there's boredom trading. When the market is slow, some traders enter random positions just to feel active, even when no valid setup exists. A huge factor is lack of a clear trading plan. Without rules, traders react to noise, rumors, and every candle that moves. Misreading the market also contributes. Traders often see opportunities that aren't real, especially during spikes or high volatility moments. Excessive leverage makes it worse. When leverage is high, traders feel pressured to take more trades to maximize potential gains. And finally, constant news and social media noise. Too much information triggers emotional decisions and unnecessary entries. Overtrading is rarely about the market. It's almost always about the trader. Control your emotions, follow your plan, and trade only when your setup is truly present. Caught in the trap? This trader learned to pause and reset after losses. Mastering patience boosts profits. Trading smart beats overtrading. Show your tips below and follow for more trading wisdom. Do not forget to like, share, and follow AFTech Trades for more educational contents.